Dear friends, welcome to Biology for Engineers, Unit 1 Introduction to Biology. In this, we are going to see a brief account of chromosomes. The cell contains nucleus, nucleus contains chromosomes, chromosomes contains DNA. Here we are going to see a brief account of chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structures located inside the nucleus of animal and plant cells. Each chromosome is made of protein and a single molecule of deoxyribonucleic acid known as DNA. DNA contains the specific instructions that make each type of living creature unique. Here, chromosomes are passed from parents to offspring. For an organism to grow and function properly, cells must constantly divide to produce new cells to replace the old one and worn out cells. This diagram explains the cell division. Here one cell divides into two and produces two daughter cells. Here you can recall the cell theory video. During cell division, it is essential that DNA remains intact and evenly distributed among cells. Chromosomes are a key part of the process that ensures DNA is correctly copied and distributed during cell divisions. Even though all these processes are happening in a correct manner, mistakes occur on rare occasions. Changes in the number and structure of chromosomes in new cells may lead to serious problems. For example, in humans, one type of leukemia and some other cancers are caused by defective chromosomes made up of joined pieces of broken chromosomes. It is also crucial that reproductive cells such as eggs and sperm contain the right number of chromosomes and that those chromosomes have the correct structure. If it is not happening in a correct manner, the structure and number of chromosomes are not correct, the resulting offsprings may fail to develop properly. For example, people with Down syndrome have 3 copies of chromosome 21 instead of the 2 copies found in other people. Next, circular chromosomes. Chromosomes vary in number and shape among the living things. Most bacteria have 1 or 2 circular chromosomes. Here, this diagram shows the structure of circular chromosome found in bacteria. Next one, linear chromosomes. Humans, animals and plants have linear chromosomes that are arranged in pairs with the nucleus of the cell, within the nucleus of the cell. The constricted region of linear chromosome is known as the centromere. Although this constriction is called the centromere, it is usually not located exactly in the center of the chromosome. Here this picture you can see the linear chromosome. Centromeres help to keep chromosomes properly aligned during the complex process of cell division. The centromere serves as an attachment site for the 2 halves of each replicated chromosome during cell division. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes and a total of 46 chromosomes are present in human cell. Each species of plants and animals has a set number of chromosomes. This set number is common and constant for each species of plants and animals. A fruit fly, for example, has 4 pairs of chromosomes and a rice plant has 12 pairs and a dog has 39 pairs of chromosomes. In humans and most other complex organisms, one copy of each chromosome is inherited from the female parent and the other from the male parent. Because of this, Children inherit some of their traits from their mother and other from their father. So far we have discussed a brief account of chromosomes. Thank you.